started chapter 6, life processes, and in this we are discussing about blood circulatory system, and we have discussed that the blood circulatory system has three main components: blood, blood vessels and heart. About blood and blood vessels we have discussed in our previous videos. So students, today we start from heart. So let us start. Heart is a muscular pumping organ which circulate blood to whole body. Okay, heart is a muscular pumping organ. Muscular pumping organ which circulate blood to whole body. Okay. So this is muscular organ, that means it is made up of muscles, and pumping organ because it pumps the blood to different parts of the body. So it is called muscular pumping organ. Heart is a muscular pumping organ. It is made up of cardiac muscle. It is made up of cardiac muscles. And it lies in our chest cavity between the lungs above the diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm के ऊपर दोनों lungs के बीच में ये क्या है, present है. और it lies in the chest cavity between the lungs above the diaphragm. Okay, it lies in chest cavity between the lungs above the diaphragm. Okay, and this work, it is made up of cardiac muscle, and this muscle work continuously throughout the life. Okay, works continuously throughout the life without tired. We can say that without tired, heart works continuously throughout the life. Okay. So now we discuss the structure of heart, internal structure of heart. This is the diagram of heart. Now we discuss internal structure of heart. Okay. Heart is covered by a membrane. This membrane is called pericardium. Okay, internal structure of heart. It is covered by a membrane. This is called pericardium. Okay, covered with a membrane called pericardium, and a fluid is filled between the pericardium and heart. This fluid is called pericardial fluid. In this space between the pericardium and the heart, fluid is filled. This fluid is called pericardial fluid. A fluid is filled between pericardium and heart. This is called pericardial cardiac fluid. This protects the heart from external shock. Pericardium and the pericardial fluid protect the heart from external shock. This protects the heart from external shock. Okay, and every heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper and 2 lower. Heart has 4 chambers. Two upper are called auricles or atrium, and lower chambers are called ventricles. Okay, upper 2 chambers are called auricles or atrium, and the lower chambers are called ventricle. Right atrium, left atrium. Right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay, and both the atrium are separated from each other by a thin wall. This is called interauricular septum. Both the atriums are separated by a thin wall. Okay. Both atrium are separated by thin wall called interauricular septum or interatrial septum. Clear? Yes. And both the ventricles are separated by a thick wall. Okay. Ventricles are separated by a thick wall. ठीक है, वो तो थिन वॉल है और ये थिक वॉल से सेपरेटेड है, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड interventricular septum. This is called interventricular septum. Clear? And these atriums are separated from ventricle by a 2 apparatus membranous walls. Atriums are separated from ventricles by 2 apparatus guarded by membranous walls. Okay, the wall that separate right atrium from right ventricle, this is called right atrioventricular wall or tricuspid wall. This is made up of 3 flaps. Okay, right atrium is separated from right ventricle by a wall, a right atrioventricular wall, or it is also known as tricuspid wall. It is made up of 3 flaps. Okay, the wall that separates left atrium from left ventricle, this wall is called left atrioventricular wall. It is also known as mitral wall. This is made up of 2 flaps. Tricuspid wall is made up of 3 flaps. whereas mitral valve is made up of two flaps. Okay. These valves allow the blood flow only from atrium to ventricle. Okay, that means मतलब ब्लड का फ्लो एट्रियम से वेंट्रिकल में तो आ सकता है, लेकिन ब्लड वापस वेंट्रिकल से एट्रियम में एंटर नहीं होगा. When the blood come in ventricle, these valves closed. Okay, so these valves allow the blood flow only from atrium to ventricle. Okay, and these septums, the septums that separate right or atrium to left atrium or the right ventricle from left ventricle, these septums prevent the mixing of pure or impure blood. These septums avoid the mixing of pure or impure blood. Okay, left side is pure blood, whereas left side is impure blood. So these septums prevent the mixing of pure or impure blood. Okay, I hope you understand the structure of heart. Heart is a muscular pumping organ which circulates blood to whole body. It lies in chest cavity between the lungs, above the diaphragm. Okay. It is made up of cardiac muscle which works continuously throughout the life. Okay, and it is covered by a membrane. This is called pericardium. A fluid is filled between the pericardium and the heart. This is called the pericardial fluid. These protect the heart from external shock. Okay, every heart has 4 chambers. Upper are called auricles and the lower chambers are called ventricles. Okay, auricle and ventricle. These auricles or atriums are separated from each other by a thin wall. This thin wall is called interauricular septum or interatrial septum. Okay, and in this way ventricles are also separated from each other by a septum, by a thick wall. This is called interventricular septum. These septums prevent the mixing of pure and impure blood. Okay, and atrium and ventricles are also separated from each other. The two apparatus separate the atrium from ventricle is guarded by a membranous walls. The wall that separates right atrium from right ventricle, this valve is called right atrioventricular valve or tricuspid valve, and this tricuspid valve is made up of 3 flaps. The valve that separates left atrium from left ventricle, this is called left atrioventricular valve or the mitral valve. It is made up of 2 flaps. Clear? So this is the structure of heart. Okay, working of heart and double circulation we will discuss in our next video. Thank you students. Till that time watch video carefully. Read this topic from your book. Thank you students. Have a nice day.